Hirap.
Hindi kita paano yung payment mo na baka na automatic
You're just gonna go to the card.
Oh yeah, you're all good.
Yeah.
You always gotta be.
There you go. That's how.
Good, he's good. Come here. Hey.
Dominic. Maybe he won't do it again. Let's see.
Let's see if they're playing next Christmas. So,
Ayun o, may nakabukas na doon. Nakabukas na. Malayo eh. Diretso, diretso.
Ano diretso?
Yan, bubuksan mo yan.
Bubuksan ko ba? Ito. Ito? Okay.
Sa card. Nandun yung mga anak ko.
Oh.
Sorry.
Jake, come here.
Where?
Alright.
I didn't send
Dadam.
Nice.
Thank you.
Ito pala yung kusina oh. Ang palakala ko, sorry.
Saan ba?
Doon sa dulo. Meron parang ganito oh.
Large bridge for your best photo opportunity right now. We're under the bridge for your best photo opportunity right now. Oh, sorry, sir.
Hindi, pwede rin kumain. Excuse me.
No, ahorita lo que llega.
Pero más caro.
Sorry. Excuse me.
Malayo na din.
Ayan o.
Ayan na yun.
Excuse me. Yeah.
I thought that was right behind you.
Maybe you use it.
Ayan sila o. Oh, ayan sila o.
Para may
Tulungan
open
tayo.
area.
Ha?
Yung under dito. Ah, under to, di ba?
Sabi niya.
Dito lang tayo. Nakakain naman na tayo. Kahit tayo po.
Take the train now.
Hi, pardon me.
Dito. Dito.
Here's my box.
Lasang dami doon, ya.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready, 3. Press. Do you see?
The four of us. Maybe daddy's phone. Daddy's phone na lang. Kasi the four of us. Tayo makapag-picture. Ay, nakano ka na?
Oh, pwede naman.
Daddy, naka-picture ka.
Okay.
Can you take a picture of us?
Yung view pala nandun.
Yung ano? Yung beer?
Yung view sa paano yung training ko yung daddy ko. Kasi baka daw automatic
There's a North Pole here. This is good at night. You can see the North Pole. bitawan eh. Parang sila lang. Limit ka rin sa kapila. Makakasimit ka. Yan na. Limit ka rin. Mahal siguro dito, ano? Mahal dito. Mahal yan. Kasi kung mura yan, mas maluwag yan eh. Mas maluwag. Dito walang kalaban. Oh, diba?
Masyado maraming kalaban dun eh.
Mabango pa.
Ang pagkain. Sa umolo rin eh.
Double train. Bang. Sorry. Sorry, Santa. push it up right here. Ito tayo. Oh, isa, doon sa kabila. Sa kabila, doon sa dulo. O sa dulo tayo, sa dulo. O sa dulo.
I have
Yan. Wala pa naman sila eh.
Ito, kainin mo?
Ano yan? No. Kinain na namin G yan eh.
Hindi, diyan lang sila.
Ayan nga.
Kasi yung kutsara ko, ano wala?
Wala na, kinuha na. Hindi sa kanya.
Hindi, wag na stick na lang.
Ayan. Sarap ako mo po dito.
Dito ang banda.
Tanong mo kay Cash, kung magkano doon? Ticket.
Hindi ko alam na. Ito, 140 sa.
Ito.
Bali, 500 na get. Meron na to, 140. 114 lang. At saka elevated.
Yun na. At nakarating kayo dyan.
Paano nangyari yung ba't sa Mexico? Ay, doon sa
Nabagpas sila.
Oh, yeah. Ay. How we get that so much, dude? Grabe na ba ito? No, ayun. Grabe, may isang lalaki, nakatulog lang. I'm like, why would you, nakita mo nga, why would you go on a train? Yung lalaki, di ba tulog lang?
Sila.
Yung lalaki yung dinaanan natin, nakahilata.
Ah, gano'n?
Di mo nakita? Dinaanan natin. Yeah, I wouldn't know. Yeah.
Kasi random table eh, so meron siya sa side. For drinks lang ang pwede nyo orderin.
Meron, may table na sila. Pero yung table na nasa harapan, parang aeroplano.
Hindi, wala eh. Hindi nakatry mo ng table.
Diyan sa baba.
Chairs, na face to face. Tapos, sa gilid, parang may karampot na lagayan mo.
When we made You know, the first time I did my makeup for, and then I showed Gio, he was like, I didn't expect this reaction. He was like, your foundation is patchy. I'm like, what?
Well, please, be honest.
I was like, how did you even see that?
You guys want more pictures later?
Later, maybe. So at least you can relax first and enjoy it.
Yeah, I was thinking like I could take a picture of you guys like right by the screen. And then your mom was trying to like say like, hey, excuse me, like can you like move?
Yeah.
And he's just like pretending to, like,
Yeah. No, I like rolled my eyes.
wow, these people are so freaking rude.
Yeah.
And then we went there, right? We
Yeah.
just tried to like, and then we said, let's just go back to our place.
Hindi sa pang gumiyak, malinaw, malinis.
A lot.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Pwede mong inumin, kaya lang,
They're
hindi
not
ka,
like Alaska bad, but they're still pretty bad.
hindi masisira ng tiyan. Hindi naman galing yan sa ano, sa
I haven't seen a real bear.
bundok galing yan.
I've seen a real like big ass like
Yung parang sa Team Louie, mapait.
deer.
Ang palayain ka.
I've seen like deer where it's
Sapa.
like absolutely
Sapa.
like
Dito
horrendous,
sapa
like,
yan.
they're actually hungry.
Pero ang
What
dilaw,
is
oh.
in California?
Galing
And
bundok
here
yan.
they look like
Ba't
majestic.
mapait? Mapait eh.
Ayun, ano mo, merong ano,
I wanna I feel like going to South Park.
nakaharang, nakafilter yung ano nila. Oh.
We can go. So I need to go to. Oh, by the way, we're not taking care of the dog.
Oh, we're not?
We're not.
Why?
They found someone else. I told them to find single day.
Oh, because it's cheap.
It's not even that. It's not cheap. Here's the thing. It's cheap
Not
in our
the
eyes.
mall.
Not the mall. If you go to there's this big market. It's called Divisoria.
Sa lang tayo
It's
palabas
it's a street market with a bunch of clothes and a bunch of stuff. And you're probably gonna get robbed. Don't get robbed. Don't bring a bag of. Don't even bring
Yung
the
New
camera.
Year, hindi tayo sigurado kung paano.
You can bring the camera and other stuff.
Okay
I'm gonna
lang
hide it
tayo.
as much as possible, especially when we're in. Like if we're at my grandma's house.
Pero mag-o-off ako ng
Which
Friday.
we're not staying there. We're not staying there. Right?
Pero yung Thursday, ewan ko kung
My grandparents,
Doon
like, their
bumalik
house
ang mga...
Is like open to our cousins and stuff, and some of our cousins.
Wala, sa bahay lang ako.
Nagpapaalam.
So they will see that camera. They will still do it. So I'm not even bringing my wedding ring. I'm bringing the $20.
Dali lang.
So you guys can
Oo, magpapaalam ka lang, no? May vacation leave ka ba? O PTO, personal time?
So,
Gamitin mo ma-expire yun. Hindi lang naman sick leave eh. Kasi sigurado kung may sick leave ka, meron kang vacation leave din.
Or you need to work here. No, not too much. It's just like dry. Dog one.
Tatanungin ko si...
Dino?
You got your. Oh, we're back to prison. Yay!
Ha? Nangyari.
Pabalik na tayo sa may...
that way we can go to
Frost? Taco? Both?
Ilang biyahe to sa araw-araw, nak?
Huh?
Ilang biyahe?
Yung tres? Apat.
Apat. So, meron ng isa, pangalawa na tayo.
Yeah. Yeah, kasi meron pa sa 3:30 na 6:30. Pero hindi na maganda 6:30, wala ka na makikita.
Madilim, oo. Book mo lang tayo ng oras.
At saka book na rin yung 3:30 at saka yung 9. Ay, na 3:30.
Tsaka maganda to, itong oras na to.
Oo.
Tamang-tama, apat na lang yung pinay. So I was like, perfect.
she broke my other key. This one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how it broke though.
Keep dropping it.
I didn't drop it. It
Just
just
drop your key. That's how I broke the first time.
My key.
Yeah, my spare.
Your key is just weak as well. My key, I've been dropping how many times? It's so fun.
Because your one's just a box.
Yeah, a very durable box.
Mine's more fancy.
And weak.
Now,
They said red.
it's called value.
You see that light? When it turns green. But it's okay, Mommy's here. Yeah. She's blocking you.
I like it when she's doing it.
May daan dito?
Yeah.
May daan dito?
Yeah. Take it this way. And oh,
Restroom mo.
tama ba?
May daan. Tanong mo.
Yeah, you guys can go over there. Have a great rest of your day. Which one of us have a great rest of your day?
Have a nice day. Thank you for riding. Happy New Year.
Ayan na.
Ito na yun?
It wasn't you. It wasn't you.
Ito pala yung pwesto natin. Ang bilis kasi makakita.
Thank you for riding with us, and you have a happy day. You do the same. Season greetings. Thank you for riding with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Hintayin natin sila. Saan ba tayo lalabas? Doon? Kabila? Hintayin na natin. Takot ang tuhod ko, kakaupo ah. Yan ang problema ko pag nakaupo. Oh. Di nakasara yung butones mo. Oh, go. Tatay dadaan. Santa Express.
Malapit sa restroom. Mabilis umexit.
And now I'm done for the train. So yeah, see this, and look at that, happy ending. It's also a train food center. Yeah, we're down. We finish our train travel.
At least merong free public parking, no? Sa San Diego, wala.
Wala, may bayad.
Lahat ng parking may bayad.
Tsaka may restaurant.
Mm-hmm.
Parang nasa San Diego, ay sa Texas, walang restaurant. Ganda nito, oh. Putang MX-5, oh. Ganda. Woo! Wow. See the car? Sa kabila ka, oy. Doon ka sa kabila.
Doon ako sa kabila.
Okay.
Pag gusto lang ha, binit ko to. You brought a couple, not the entire bag.